Should I? Oh wait, Ian.
Yeah,
Should I
pour one out
take your
for the
friend's
homies.
thing?
The outtakes. Oh my god.
Always labels out. Hello. I guess to all the homies that have watched the first video, thank you. But because we are so new, I'm gonna still treat this a little low and slow like a custard. Take our time, really explain everything just because you're just as good as the first ones. You know what I mean? We're here in it together. So that's what's up. Alright, so I guess the crack with this guy, want to change it up for the first. Margarita, Tommy's, we love you. But it's time to go something more sour than it. It's crazy. Yeah, so one of my first favorites that I actually learned about from one of the most beautiful women in the whole world, Naomi Leslie, who trained me at the first bar I really worked at, Blacktail, was a cocktail called the Whiskey Smash. I hated bourbon, like a lot. And I know you don't see bourbon here, and I will talk about that momentarily. But basically, the Whiskey Smash utilizes the sour spec as well, right? So we're already going back to the margarita, 3 ingredients. You probably have all of them for the most part, right? But it's just nice timing. Traditionally, it's just muddled lemons, probably like maybe 2 to 3, but I juice them because I don't fuck with hand squeeze bullshit, you know? Nobody has time for that. I'm trying to get smashed on my Whiskey Smash. But you could do that, you know, whatever. So it is, oh my god, muddled lemons, a little simple syrup, fresh mint, and it would be about 2 ounces of bourbon. However, I'm changing it up. Gotta keep things real, you know what I mean? It can't be one of the many, you know? A little something different. Open up the cupboards in the kitchen. Mad green tea. I love tea. I also love gin, so that's what we're doing today. So here I've got my lemon, simple, but then these are a little package deal. So earlier today when I was just like, yo, let's make this shit different. Let's get after it. Let's fucking inspire people. So first off, Never Saying Spirits, magical product. It's still from Apples, local New York brand from upstate Port Chester. It's pretty incredible. I mean, I actually just took some straight to the mouth, straight to the face. It just tastes absolutely fresh. It's beautiful. So I decided to infuse that with this green tea, a tropical green tea. I believe I use the brand Mighty Leaf, but you know, whatever will work. I just like the tropical because I get like more of like the guava, pineapple. There's some cool edible flowers in there too. It's some bougie shit, but it's delicious. So I measured out just to make sure in case we goofed this video. I think I did like 4 ounces of the gin with 2 bags of tea for 40 minutes. And it got to this color. So I feel like if I went any longer, it might have gotten too bitter and gross. But of course, like, this is a beautiful thing. Like, this is whatever you want. It could just be to your taste. That's just what I prefer because it's just enough. And I think the rest of the cocktail will really balance it out. Because that's all we want. We want consistency and balance. That is key. All right, now the important thing. Making the drink. So again, I know I reiterated this in the first video. Cheapest ingredients first. So, starting to make this bebe.
Wait, my babies.
Make sure there's no water in the jigs. 3/4 of an ounce of lemon. Again, like you got a little OXO cup, little measuring cups. You could just do a little count. Count to about 4. It's about 3/4 of an ounce, you know? I worked somewhere where they didn't like jiggers. They'd smack them out of your hand if they saw them. You just count. Do what feels right. Also 3/4 simple, very easy to remember. Shit don't change. Whoa, very sticky bottle. Should have cleaned these better. And then 2 ounces of your base spirit. Again, traditionally bourbon, gin, green tea gin. Windy. Just enough wind to get the hair in my mouth, you know. 2 ounces of that tea. You know, get a little freaky, do a little flair. All right, cool. Get a little excess in there. So all the ingredients are in there. However, one of the most important ingredients. So to really get this thing fresh, I do like 8 milliliters, but you could do like 4 to 8. And also, if you think of it, I didn't do this before, but I would do it in the big tin. Like if you were making a cocktail with eggs, put that shit in the big tin, your solids, just in case you fuck up, you don't have to waste everything. It's just nice. It's just almost like it's helping future you from being sad. It definitely did way more than 8. Oh, for good luck. All right. So the other thing about this drink, don't look at this ice, it's not cute, is, remember, everything in the small tin, but this drink is made for the dirty dump, okay? You got that mint. I like mint chunks. I put mint in salad. I put mint in pasta. I want to see it. I want it in my teeth. I want Ian to be grossed out when he kisses me, but it's minty and fresh so he can't complain. It's fucking dumb. But I recommend the dirty dump. So you're about to see it. So you shake like last time, right? Got a smooth back. Ladies, bras, we get it. You little shake. And then this, because you're dirty dumping, you don't want to overshake because if you you're dumping that ice back in, so it will be a little bit more watery. So I'll probably stop at about now to the point where your tongue would be okay if you slurped it off the pole. There's a pole there. We could do a little fake demo. No, it's too much. The people don't want to see that. Yo, dirty dump! Wow, very perfect wash line too. You might be lucky. That could happen to you. But, yo, dirty dump. I'm just gonna fucking add more mint because it's cute and beautiful. Like a little cat. Cool, cool, cool. Dirty dump, mint for days. Next time, get some local mint. Support your neighborhood. Shout out to future vids. I'm just saying, I don't know what's up. Alright, cool. Look at this little cutie. Actually, this looks much better than the first take. It's so nice. And actually, the Whiskey Smash is supposed to be cracked ice. So maybe, as I'm talking about this, the move is the dirty dump for reals. Dirty dump. Just dirty dump it. That's the move. Ooh, it's gorge. I really slurped it. So good.
That's the spirit right there.
Oh, yeah, it is. That's beautiful. Yeah, so walks away every time. Very predictable. Leave no surprises to this one, you know what I'm saying? But yeah. So that's the beautiful blank insert base spirit here. Smash. Whiskey smash. Gin smash. You could do a vodka smash. Yo, do a fucking White Claw smash. Bitches would die for that shit. I guarantee it would be delicious. It actually probably would. But we could do that next time, you know? Like, that's the beauty of it. That's the spirit of it. We care about the homies, man. If there's something that you want to see that you don't really understand, you just need the homies. You need me to explain it because I'm just trying to keep it real because I want to understand things better too, and we need to help each other out and just be on one situation, if you will. You know, the internet is so great like that. I'm feeling really deep being outside on a roof. You know, it's just nice. But anyway, yo. Oh my gosh. Like, and this simple serum is all in my hair. Yo, if so, to ask generously, like, subscribe, tell your friends. I gotta start making an Instagram page, get my shit together, because it's not going away. Share the love, share the wealth. You know, we appreciate it, guys. That's the spirit. Pop, pop. Boop. Spirit, give a look-see.
Like, comment, subscribe.